Hello, my name is Dr. Godfrid. I am an obstetrician and a gynecologist from Tanzania, East Africa. I was here in Milann Fertility Center for 1 year, taking the course of clinical embryology. It was a really good experience to meet a good expertise embryologist like Dr. Ashraf, Dr. Sweater. They are good, they are experienced, they have a good experience, and they taught us a lot of things. And the good things here in Milann, there's a CRES lab where is open 6 days a week, where you can practice it on your own. And the other good things with Milann, there's a lot of cases where you can learn from there and you can go to your experience. That is a good experience for me, and I'm very, very happy to be here. And I thank all the people and people of Milann for the good training. Thank you.